I am Satya Anil, second BSc BJC, a student by TTWRDC Women's Kothagudem. So first of all, I thanks to RS Praveen Kumar sir and also our lecturers. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Thank you so much. So I discuss about adrenal gland. So we are going to topic. This is the adrenal gland picture. The body has two adrenal suprarenal glands, each located on the superior pole of each kidney. Each adrenal gland is structurally and functionally different into two regions or zones, adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. It is the two regions. First of all, adrenal cortex. This is the outer or peripheral zone of the adrenal gland which makes up the bulk of the gland. And next to adrenal medulla. This is the inner zone of the adrenal gland. Next, the adrenal cortex is divided into three zones. Each zone has the different cellular arrangement and secrete the different groups of the steroid hormones. The layer or zones adrenal cortex formula of the remembering of the layers GFR. The three types of the zones is zona glomerulosa, first type. This is the outermost zone of the adrenal cortex which secrete the mineral corticoids. Next one, zona fasciculata. This is the middle of the zone adrenal cortex which secrete the glucocorticoids and adrenal androgens. And third one, zona reticularis. This is the innermost of the zone adrenal cortex which secrete the glucocorticoids and adrenal androgens but in their small quantities. Hormones of the adrenal cortex. The adrenocortical hormones and their functions of the body classified into three types. There are mineral corticoids, glucocorticoids and adrenal androgens. This is the zones. Adrenal corticoids zone, zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata and zona reticulata. First zone, middle zone and inner zone. Mineral corticoids. This hormones helps to control the water and electrolyte hormone homeostasis, particularly the concentration of sodium ions and potassium ions. Mineral corticoids include the following hormones: aldosterone, it is the principal hormone; deoxycorticosterone, 9-alpha fluorocortisol, cortisone. Glucocorticoids. The glucocorticoids are the group of hormones consonant with normal organic metabolism and resistant to stress. Glucocorticoids include the following hormones: cortisol, corticosterone, cortisone, prednisone, methylprednisolone. Adrenal androgens. These are steroids which exhibit the action of similar to testosterone. Biosynthesis of adrenocortical hormones: acetate, cholesterol, pregnenolone, progesterone, aldosterone. 7-OH, pregnenolone, cortisol and androgen. Aldosterone. This is the principal hormone of the mineral corticoids. These hormones of the adrenal cortex secrete the outermost layer is called zona glomerulosa. This is daily secretes 150 grams of per day. Normal plasma level is 6 grams per 100 ml. Half-life. The half-life of the aldosterone is short, about 20 minutes. Transport. Most of the secret aldosterone is bounded by albumin with the lesser amount of bounded to corticosteroid binding the globin. CBZ. CBZ means corticosteroid binding globulin. The transport of the as follows: 60% bound with the plasma protein, mostly albumin. 40% transport in the free form. Regulations of the aldosterone secretion. Factors increasing the aldosterone secretion: increased potassium ions, decreased sodium ions, undefined pituitary factors, ACTH, hypovolemia, hypotension, increased renin angiotensin, stress, adrenal adenoma, Cohen syndrome, idiopathic adrenal hyperplasia. Effect of the aldosterone. First effect of the renal tubules. Aldosterone effects. The main action of aldosterone is to maintain the balance of the electrolyte content of the body fluid. The sites of the action are the ascending limb, loop of Henle, and distal and collecting tubules. Aldosterone causes the increased tubules reabsorption of Na plus in exchange of the potassium and H plus ions. The lack of the aldosterone causes of the excess loss of sodium in urine. General effects: circulation, increase the blood volume and cardiac output. Next, blood pressure, increase blood pressure due to the increased cardiac output and blood volume and venous return. Cortisols. Cortisol is known as hydrocortisone. This hormone is the most abundant and essential for life. Cortisol hormone. It is responsible for the about 90% of glucocorticoid activity. Site of formation. Cortisol is secreted by zona fasciculata and zona reticularis layers of the adrenal cortex of the adrenal gland. This cortisol's site formation is cortisol secreted by zona fasciculata and zona reticulata layers of the adrenal cortex of the adrenal gland. Biosynthesis. This is hormone is a 21 carbon atom steroid which synthesized from the acetyl cholesterol, coenzyme cholesterols. Daily secretion rate 50 mg per day. Half-life 90 to 100 minutes. Normal plasma level 94% bond with cortisol binding protein, 6% in free form. This is a feedback of inhibition, regulation of the cortisol hormone, emotion, stress, trauma, and influence of the cardiac rhythms. Hypothalamus corticotropin releasing factors, anterior pituitary gland, adrenocorticotropic hormones, adrenal cortex, and cortisol. These main hormones: hypothalamus and anterior pituitary adrenal cortex. Effect of the cortisol. Metabolic effects: carbohydrate metabolism. Cortisol stimulates the gluconeogenesis in the liver of the basic amino acid from the extrahepatic tissue, muscle, and by increasing the enzymes of the gluconeogenesis. Next, it is a decrease the utilizing of the glucose by cells, decreasing the oxidation of NADH2, which is needed for the glycolysis, and by the decreasing glucose transport into the cells. Next, it is increases blood glucose level due to the increase the gluconeogenesis and decrease the glucose utilizing. This condition is called adrenal diabetes. Diabetes, you know. Okay. Protein metabolism, second type. The principal effects of the cortisol on the metabolic system of the body is reduction of the protein storage in body cells except those of the liver. This caused by the both decreased protein synthesis and increased catabolism of the protein in the cells. It inhibits amino acid entry into the cells except of the liver. It is increased the amino acids concentration in the blood. It increases the urea level in blood. Protein metabolism effects. Next, fat metabolism. It is mobilizes fatty acids from the adipose tissue. Fatty acids from adipose tissues. It increases the free fatty acids concentration in the blood. It increases the utilizing the free fatty acids for energy. It causes the ketosis due to the increase the conversion of free fatty acids into the acetyl coenzymes. Electrolyte metabolism. It promotes the Na plus and Cl retention from the renal tubules. It increases the excretion of potassium ions by kidneys. Next, water metabolism. It caches the derivations of the suppressing of the ADH secretion or by the increasing the destruction of the ADH liver cells. General effects on CVS. CVS means chronic villus sampling. CVS means chronic villus sampling. Cortisol increase the blood pressure because of increasing production of the angiotensinogens. Increases sensibility of vascular smooth muscle, noradrenal and adrenaline. On blood cells, increases the platelets count, decrease the blood clotting time, increase the total white blood cells, decrease the lymphocytes, eosinophils and basophils, increase the neutrophils, monocytes and red blood cells count. On CNS, CNS means central nervous system. CNS means central nervous system. Low cortisol level causes the restless, insomnia and inability to concentrate. Causes the excitation of CNS. On GIT, GIT means gastrointestinal tract. GIT means gastrointestinal tract. Increases the gastric acidity and may causes peptide ulcer. On bone, effects on the bone. Excess of the cortisols may causes the defect in the synthesis of protein matrix. It is decrease the deposition of calcium. It increases the loss of the calcium in urine. It decreases the absorption of the calcium from GIT. GIT means gastrointestinal tract. Bone is made up of calcium. Okay. Thank you so much.